Garner-Osborne Circuits was founded back in the early 90s, and through hard work, knowledge and commitment to our customers, we have grown to be one of the foremost PCB manufacturers in the UK. One of the keys to our success has been, and still is, the continued investment in plant and equipment which keeps us at the leading edge of technology. We use Genesis frontline software in our front end to enable us to ensure the product is manufactured exactly as required. Our drill capacity is 20 spindles across 4 machines to give us as much flexibility as possible. All print of the circuits is done photomechanically, which enables us to achieve optimum hole-to-pad registration. Our electroplating facility uses 8-cell copper plating line with side-to-side rectification to give consistent copper deposition down the hole and on the tracks as and where required. Our AOI machine compares the products manufactured with the original customer's data to ensure good production yield rates. All boards are 100% bare board tested prior to dispatch. Prior to dispatch, all boards are visually inspected to ensure there are no cosmetic defects. Our Juki 2060E is a fully automated, high-speed, fine-pitch, pick and place machine with a maximum component placement capability of 13,200 components per hour, including 0201s and micro BGAs. Accuracy of solder paste definition and registration is critical to accuracy of component placement on the finished product. All assembled products are optically inspected to give confidence to the customer of complete consistency with component placement, ensuring no missing or misorientated components. The Ursa IR550 is a BGA rework system with both placement and remount capabilities, and the Ursa Scope gives full visual inspection capabilities. The markets we target are the small volume, fast turnaround prototype and pre-production products to manufacture in the UK. A differentiator for GOC is that we have PCB manufacture and assembly under one roof, which provides our customer with one-stop shop to improve customer services whilst reducing lead time and cost.